We will guide you through how to make Ellipse AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open a drawing by clicking New to create a new drawing or Open to access an existing .dwg file. Click the Home tab and locate the Draw panel. Click the Ellipse tool or click inside the command line. Type Ellipse and press Enter to start the command. Specify the first endpoint of the ellipse axis by clicking a point in the drawing area. Next, specify the second endpoint of the ellipse axis by clicking another point to define the length and direction of the major axis. Move the cursor away from the axis to preview the shape of the ellipse. Click in the drawing area or enter a distance to define the length of the minor axis. If you enter the minor axis distance manually, press Enter to complete the ellipse. Select the ellipse to verify that it has been created correctly. Use the mouse wheel to zoom in or out and inspect the ellipse more closely if necessary. If the ellipse is not in the correct location, type Move in the command line. Press Enter, select the ellipse, and place it in the desired position. If you want to change its orientation, type Rotate, press Enter, select the ellipse, specify a base point, and enter the required rotation angle. If you need to adjust the size, type Scale, press Enter, select the ellipse, specify a base point, and enter the desired scale factor. Finally, save the drawing by clicking Save or pressing Ctrl+S to preserve the completed ellipse drawing. Your ellipse is now ready to use as part of a larger design, construction drawing, technical illustration, or other AutoCAD project requiring accurate curved shapes.